Malaking problema, lalo na sa Pilipinas, yung kakulangan ng mga espesyalista. Pero sa tulong ng telesurgery, posible nang makagawa rito ng mga medical procedures sa mga doktor kahit nasa malalayong lugar pa sila. Kung paano yan, alamin sa pagtutok ni Oscar Oida.
Nasa Pilipinas ang pasyente, pero ang doktor na mag-oopera nasa China. Imposible? Posible! Nangyari lang yan kanina, ang kauna-unahang telesurgery sa bansa. Sa pangunguna yan ng mga espesyalista mula sa Urology Center of the Philippines. Gamit ang tinatawag na MedBot, inoperahan ng key leaders and urological surgeons ng UCPI na sina Dr. Pedro Lantin III at Dr. Jovido Agatep na nasa Shanghai, China, ang 73 anyos nilang pasyente sa kanilang ospital dito sa Quezon City.
We're going to perform the robotic-assisted radical prostatectomy for a patient who has an intermediate risk of prostate cancer. So it's going to be 6 holes, buttonhole surgery, and it's docked with the trocars, and the robot will be docked also. So after that, it will be directly to the surgeon, to the consult surgeon, done by Dr. Agatep, and as well as Dr. Irastosa, who is in the operating room.
Ang isa sa mga anesthesiologist, asawa pa mismo ni Dr. Agatep na si Dr. Lorlin.
Excited din ako sa milestone na to. Milestone for UCPI and for the Philippines siguro kasi first time to gagawin.
Ang mga medbot na gawa sa China, may mga robotic arms at monitors na nakokontrol remotely sa pamamagitan ng internet.
The main advantage of the robot, one, you have less blood loss, less scarring, faster recovery because it is highly magnified 10 times than the usual laparoscopy. And the instruments, we have more than 7 degrees of freedom. The camera is dual. I mean, you have a binocular. So it's highly magnified. Things that you cannot see with open surgery, you can see with the robot. It's very precise.
Internet-dependent ang procedure. Paano kung bumagsak bigla ang signal na talaga namang nangyayari sa Pilipinas?
Actually, it will not affect the outcome of the surgery because you have an expert surgeon right here in the Philippines who's going to take over the surgery. In case we have internet failure, power failure.
Ang ganitong teknolohiya, malaki umano ang may tutulong sa ating bansa, lalo na sa mga lugar na kinukulang sa mga espesyalista.
With the lack of surgeons across the country, the future here is that you can have these robots in different municipalities, in different islands, but you cannot provide all the doctors. So the doctor, the expert surgeon can be here in Manila doing the operation through the consult, through the internet, with the patient either in Masbate, in Sulu, in other remote parts of the country.
Tumagal din ang telesurgery ng mahigit 5 oras bago matagumpay na naialis ang malignant prostate gland ng pasyente.
Congratulations and thank you for the surgical team in Manila for helping us, the staff, the residents, and the consultants there. So we did a good job, Aga.
Yeah, it's a very hard case. So it's not a middle of the run case. It's a very stuck prostate at the posterior part, especially the seminal vesicle and the vas deferens. But with the help of the team, the dream team of Manila, Dr. Lusaya, Dr. Jundi, and Dr. Sam, and all the staff there and the anesthesiologists, we made it. We made it for the first telesurgery in the Philippines. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Oscar Oida, nakatutok, 24 oras.